Hey beauties, welcome back to another quarantine tutorials. My name is Kecia Holden and I'm here just to entertain you and to get you through your quarantine with makeup tips and tricks. I've been nominated for this year's Worship Leader of the Year with Gospel Choice Music Awards, and it's happening this year down in Atlanta in August, and I really could use your vote. So go ahead and click on the link down below and it'll take you straight to the voting process. And now you're already here, so why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post a video. If you like what you see and you want to learn how to get this look, stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to start off with my El Maquillage primer. This is the No Filter Poreless Base Primer. Next, I'm going to do a little color correcting, and this is going to be with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Because around my mouth is so discolored, I just want to make sure that gets covered and concealed. So do some in the dark circles that I have here. Yes, let's do that. Just use my concealer brush just to blend that out. And I have on my little bunny ears because I had to do a spa day. My skin was not happy. And even though I drink a lot of water all day, I just wasn't getting enough hydration, just being in the house all day, every day. I did scrub and I used my sheet mask and put my serum on. I'm using a new serum. If you guys want to see a skincare tutorial, just let me know down in the comments. I would love to show you some skincare so we can do a whole segment on skincare. You know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. Because now that we're in the house, it's important that we keep up with our skincare routine, because what I noticed with my skin, it was like super rough. Just touching it on the surface was like very, very rough. Next, we're gonna use the El Maquillage Woke Up Like This. I'm in the color 225. And I kind of like this foundation. I haven't used it enough, so I decided to use it today just because I haven't used it a lot and I want to give it a fair shake. If you've been wanting to try it, especially because you get 14 days to try it before you have to return it. So it's nothing wrong with it. Go ahead and try it. Give it the 14 days. And if you like it, cool. I'm gonna let it sit just a little bit. Go ahead and put on my eyebrow primer from NYX. To have oilier skin, by the end of the day, especially if I'm wearing my makeup all day, by the end of the day, sometimes my eyebrows are like super, super shiny and like sliding all over my face. And it's hard to come back from that. Like there's no amount of powder to get back from that. So try it, see if you like it. It just keeps your brows in place all day. And it's great. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my foundation in. I have to record a couple videos for praise and worship for my church. So I wanted to make sure that I give them a face. Give the people a face. I don't want them to see me with my work half done. Amen. Amen, child. Next, let's get some concealer on. All right, so we're going to e.l.f. I want like a really mattified look, made for TV kind of look. So yeah, normally I wouldn't put this much on, but again, made for TV. No one needs this much concealer. Holy moly. One thing you'll learn about me is I don't like using a lot of product. I just think it's ridiculous. And I still want some characteristics of my skin to pop through, but when I'm on television, I know I'm gonna be recorded. I like to put it on, make sure it's there. You wanna give your best face for work, amen. So let's go and blend. Speaking of skincare, I'm trying a new serum, like I said, and I will review it for you guys because I will do a skincare review. I watched my skin become like dull and rough. And I did become a little lax with my routine, and I just had to pick it up a little bit more. Definitely drink water. Don't forsake to drink your water. I've been very conscious about making sure I have lime juice or lemon juice in my water. It makes it a detoxifier. So even if you have cucumbers at home, put some cucumbers in your water, but it just helps to internally keep your skin detoxified and internally keep your skin looking good from the inside out. During this time of the quarantine, just make sure that you're keeping up with your skincare routine and keeping up with your water intake. That is so important. And definitely moisturize. So a little more brightness and just to add definition and a little more dimension, I'm gonna add my YSL concealer. And then while that's sitting, because that can sit for a little while, that's my All Hours concealer, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So yeah, I gotta record some videos for my church. It should be fun, it should be interesting. I've already recorded like my background vocals, because obviously I don't have my band here. I have them on my phone, and I've been singing to their tracks. I did my background vocals, so I gotta record the video of me singing the lead. So it's gonna take a couple of devices to do what I gotta do, but we're gonna get it done. All right, got my eyebrows on, so let me go ahead and blend my YSL concealer. And I only use a little because I only want that spot there, just this spot here to be a little bit brighter. And then definitely can like go over your eyelids. All right, let's get that set. Go right in here in the Fenty. Press, press, press in the upper room. Yeah. Let's get our bronzer going. Prime Beauty, Black owned makeup business. Foundation is set, concealer is set. Let's do some eyes. I'm just gonna use my NYX eyeshadow primer that we talked about earlier, and I'm just gonna put a little on my lid, and then I'm gonna blend that in. So I like to finish my brows with my bronzer. Just take a huge fluffy brush. This one is from YSL. Just go right here in the brow. Finish it off. It's like a cheap contour too. I'm gonna use my Bye Bye Birdie palette from ColourPop Cosmetics, of course. And I'm gonna go right here to this color. And this one is called Plumage. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush here and add that to my crease. And this is my transition color. And I'm just gonna rock that back and forth, going all the way in. And then with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into this color right here, and it's called Heron Chic. I'm going right under that first color, that first Plumage. I'm still gonna go into the crease, but I'm bringing it down closer to the lid. And again, I'm going all the way from outer corner to inner corner. All right, so once you have those two colors down, you're gonna go into the next color, which is this one here. And that one is called Finch. You're gonna go right on the lid, and you're basically connecting those first two colors all together with this one color. Oh, that's so pretty. Once you have that color down, make sure you go back and blend. So now I'm gonna go back into Plumage. That's that first color we laid down. And I'm gonna take my MAC 217 brush, and I'm gonna run that color right in my lash line, my lower lash line. Just to add a little interest to your lower lash line, go back to Finch, which is this color here, and then add that Finch right under there too. So just kind of brush it in. And so I like this color here called Boo Bird. So I'm gonna take that guy, and I'm gonna put this in the height of my brow, right up here. It's a really pretty pink color, but I think it's just gonna finish this look really, really well. Take Boo Bird and put it right here in the inner corner. So I'm gonna add my, I got this pencil from Ulta. It's an automatic eyeliner from Ulta. This one, they call it navy blue or metallic navy. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. So now I'm gonna use my Couture eyeliner from YSL. Here it is, and this is number 11. So this one is like a charcoal color with some metallics in it, but all I'm gonna do is use it to shape my eyes. I'm not making a wing or anything like that. I'm just gonna use it to shape my eyes and give me a little bit more definition. So I normally add my mascara before I put my lashes on, and the reason for that is I'm normally leading worship, singing in the choir, whatever it is, I'm always, you know, leading, and I start crying a lot. Like, I really cry. So sometimes I lose my lashes. I'll lose my falsies. So instead of having my falsie fall off and my eyes look insane, I like to finish my eyes, complete them, and then put my lashes on. So even if I do lose a lash, I don't look absolutely bonkers. And I like to show you what your look would look like if you don't wear falsies and you give yourself, you know, a look with just mascara. There it is. But I'm gonna add my lashes and I'll be right back. Cool, lashes are on. Let's continue to finish this face, okay? I gotta video record, we gotta go. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my face. This one is the Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water from Wet n Wild. And while that's still settling, I'm gonna use my YSL face palette, my Mon Paris face palette. It's just a beautiful pinky purple highlighter. And I'm gonna use that here. And for blush, I'm going to use this one here. It's called Passionately Tempted from MAC, of course. Gorgeous. And for my lip, I'm just gonna throw on this color that I found in the hair store. It's NK Makeup, and it's an auto lip liner. This one is called Plum, so I'm gonna use this as my lip liner. Next, I'm going to add my lipstick. This one is Rouge Veloute Shine from YSL and number 19. These are probably my favorite lipsticks because they're so creamy and luxurious and so high pigment. Oh my God, they're so beautiful. I love YSL. And to finish the look, I'm just gonna add my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Face Mist. And that's it, guys. That's the look. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and get the book. I am the author of Beauty Basics 101, The Beginner's Guide to Skincare and Makeup. Find the details in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for joining. Bye.